试图在强风中开门，但明显看得出来相当有困难。没过多久，眼前这位妇女直接被风给吹走，撞进后方的树丛，再重重摔到地上。
Never in a million years would I think I would go flying into the air like a kite. It happened so quickly. I just couldn't even believe that it was happening.
这位美国71岁妇女在风雪交加的恶劣天气之下，想要拜访女儿，没想到整个人却被风给吹翻。
Are you okay? Don't know how I even got up like that, but I did.
And you're okay, right?
I am okay. Thank God took care of me because at my age, my bones break very easily and I have no broken bones and actually I'm not in pain.
随着2025年进入尾声，美国却可能迎来近年来最冷的跨年。北部从五大湖一路到东北部，遭遇炸弹、气旋轰炸、大雪、强风和危险低温三重夹击。
Winter weather continues today. More snow is piling onto existing drifts in the Great Lakes region. Forecasters say this week's totals could reach 3 feet in some areas.
一路往南，美国中西部、芝加哥、明尼阿波利斯、底特律全都受到这波冬季风暴袭击，就连德州达拉斯都发布冬季风暴警报，全美也有数千架航班取消或误点。
It got delayed, then it got canceled. Then we got a notification saying that there were no flights going in and out for 2 days.
据美国西岸，根据外媒报道，从跨年日一路到元旦都将迎来豪大雨，山区可能出现降雪，部分地区雨量甚至上看100到150毫米。美国民众今年跨年恐怕得多加注意安全。TVBS 新闻综合报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。